Ever wondered how much safer your work at height operations could be? Imagine a world where every potential hazard is detected before it becomes a problem. Meet Tracker AI's smart PTZ camera system. This isn't just any camera, it's a game changer in work at height safety. Safety is paramount, right? It's the foundation of a productive and happy workforce. Despite stringent regulations, accidents still happen. Traditional methods often fall short in preventing these incidents. Enter Tracker AI's smart PTZ. This advanced system is designed to fill the gaps left by outdated safety measures. Tracker smart PTZ cameras deliver unmatched oversight so you can spot hazards before they become accidents. Offering 24/7 monitoring, it detects work at height safety hazards instantly, no matter the time of day or night. Think about it. Real-time monitoring, automated alerts and even fall detection. It's like having a safety manager who never blinks. Real-time alerts trigger immediate action, ensuring that potential dangers are addressed before they escalate. Automated surveillance significantly reduces human error, making your work site safer and more efficient. It even detects PPE and welding work compliance, ensuring that all workers are properly equipped. Ensure every worker goes home safe. That's the ultimate goal, isn't it? Ready to elevate safety? Stay safe, stay smart. With Tracker AI, you're not just upgrading your equipment, you're upgrading your entire safety culture. The Tracker Smart PTZ camera features advanced AI algorithms that are constantly learning and adapting to new safety challenges. With 360-degree rotation and high-definition video, it covers every angle, leaving no blind spots. You can decide which areas to cover, what to detect in each area through a simple online procedure without ever leaving your seat. Through the setup, you can monitor what is happening on the ground in real time remotely. In a recent case study, a manufacturing plant reduced accidents by 40% after implementing our system. Features include night vision, advanced monitoring for PPEs, work at height and welding activities, including real-time analytics, making it a comprehensive safety solution. Our team of experts ensures the highest quality and reliability, constantly innovating to meet your safety needs. Plus, our dedicated support team is here to assist you 24/7, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. Join the revolution in safety with Tracker AI's smart PTZ camera system. It's time to take your safety measures to the next level. Visit tracker.live to learn more and get started today. Together, we can create a safer, smarter future for everyone.
Hello and welcome to another episode of HackLab Podcast. Today's episode explores a subject that has become mission critical for modern industry, the evolution of fire protection technologies, with a special focus on nitrogen injection fire prevention systems and water mist fire suppression. As industrial infrastructure grows more complex and high-value assets like transformers, power plants, and energy facilities face increasing fire risk, traditional fire protection approaches are no longer sufficient. The industry is moving towards intelligent, preventive, and resilient fire safety solutions. To help us unpack this transformation, I am joined by Mr. Rambeer Singh, Managing Director and CEO of Tri-Parulex Fire Protection System. With a distinguished career spanning over 4 decades, Mr. Rambeer Singh is widely recognized as a pioneering authority in advanced fire suppression and industrial safety. Mr. Singh is also the innovator behind the patented nitrogen injection fire protection system, NIFPS, a breakthrough technology in transformer fire safety, and has led the indigenous design of high, medium, and low pressure water mist system aligned with global standards. Beyond compliance, his vision emphasizes resilience, sustainability, and real-world performance, shaping how critical infrastructure is protected today and into the future. In this episode, we will deep dive into how NIFPS and water mist systems are redefining safety, minimizing damage, and protecting mission critical assets where failure is not an option. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. And as we start, can you please introduce yourself for our audience?
Yeah. Thank you very much to be having me here. And it's my great pleasure to be part of the discussion. Basically, in the fire safety solution in today's industrial landscape, the fire suppression, this fire safety solution is not limited up to the fire suppression only. It is about to prevention. It is about to resilience. It is about to protect the continuity of the operation, especially for the high valued and high risk assets. Actually, I began my professional career in 1984, working closely very multiple complex industrial safety challenges, which led me to establish this fire protection, Tri-Parulex fire protection organization in 1997. Over the past 28 years, we have worked hard. And that is the result. This Tri-Parulex grown into one of the leading organizations and upcoming and providing this advanced fire safety solutions. Basically, Tri-Parulex during the span of these 28 years have executed lot of projects all over the countries. Specifically, I can say that each and every states, each and every corner. And it was our privilege that we find an opportunity to work with the prominent and important sectors, very, very important sectors, like power and energy. And power energy means not only the generation, but generation, distribution, and storage also. Similarly, in the steel and mines, oil and gas, and other industry, you can say automobile, food and pharma, rubber industries, or Indian Railway, Indian Defense. We have worked a lot of with these verticals and provide them very specific and customized solution also. And during this tenure, we have always been focused to provide the engineering-driven solutions to keep the long-term reliability. Because ultimate aim to gain the trust and confidence of the end user, means customer. And it is reflected too in very repeated engagement from the very prominent and leading organization, whether it is connected with the private sector or it is in the public sector. So we got very, very satisfactory working with all that.
Yes.
Now I would like to share the technology, how the technology of nitrogen injection and fire protection system, fire prevention basically, and water mist system, fire suppression, how it is redefining the fire protection solution in this critical and modern infrastructure of industries.
Right.
Over the 2 decades, this fire protection has undergone a very major and fundamental shift. Earlier, the industry relies largely on the systems which are reactive systems, basically designed to respond when a fire already exists or already ignited, and it has escalated to also.
Okay.
Traditional and conventional system that time, they serve us, but they also revealed the fact about their some limitations. Critical limitations, I must say here. Because using those systems, there was a heavily collateral damage due to huge water spray. Second, extended downtime. Third one, environmental concern. And most importantly, the whole system were not able to prevent the catastrophic failure of the major and high value equipment or assets. That is the drawback of this system. As the industry grew and became more complex, more capital intensive, these gaps became impossible to ignore. Industry and facilities needed such a system who can act fast with minimum collateral damage, respect the environment too, and meet all the international needs or standard also. So this evolution clearly create a requirement of a preventive and performance-based fire solutions. Not only the responsive after a fire. Then we at Tri-Parulex realized at a very early stage that this change is required. And that realization led to us to invent and to develop the new technology which is before you in shape of the nitrogen injection fire prevention system and the high performance based water mist fire suppression system. Indeed, these systems are not limited or merely to extinguish fire faster, but they change the definition of the fire protection solutions for the modern industries. Basically, so this, if you say, I will just brief some about the nitrogen injection, how it works and all.
Sure.
Basically, all traditional system comes into operation when the fire happens, and it is escalated up to the certain level. It means the equipment has already damaged. And now this system only is taking care to control the fire for further spread out.
Right.
But now the concept changed. In fire, this nitrogen injection system, what the technology provide us, it eliminates the reason, basic cause, which can convert into a fire incident. This transformer is an oil filled basically. And if we talk about the transformer, it is a voltage conversion. Either we are converting the low voltage to high voltage or high voltage into the low voltage. During this conversion, this transformer sometimes internal fault or overloading or maybe earth leakage or several reasons, it start getting up heated.
Okay.
And due to this heating inside the transformer, the oil also get heat up. And when the oil is heat up, the vapors of the oil increase and it develops a pressure inside the transformer.
Okay.
When this pressure crosses a critical limit, ultimately the transformer at its weakest point rupture and an explode happen.
Okay.
During this explode happens, all the hot oil splashes out and catch fire.
Okay.
That is the basic reason for the happening of the fire incidents in the transformer or something like similar equipment.
Okay. Okay.
So what we have adopted the technology, there are certain devices already mounted on the transformer which take care of the transformer health regularly. There are 2-3 devices. One is the buckle relay. This buckle relay alerts us about the formation of the gases inside the transformer body.
Okay.
Second one, the electrical relay, which is known as a differential relay. It indicates that something, either the transformer is going for the overload, or there is some earth fault, or there is earth leakage, or any short circuit.
Okay.
By this, we just diagnose, or we just get input that something is going wrong in the transformer.
Yes.
The third one is the pressure device, which monitors the pressure inside the transformer. If the pressure is increasing,
Yes.
that also alerts us that something is going on wrong in the transformer.
Right.
And one is the major device is provided with the transformer, that is the circuit breaker. All these devices are supposed, if anything happens earlier stage, they trip down the transformer and isolate it from the incoming and outgoing power.
Okay.
This is the circuit breaker function. So what we do, what we did in the nitrogen injection system, we try to take the input from all these important 3-4 devices. As soon as any two devices indicate us that something is going on wrong inside the transformer, our one controller immediately alert, and what it does, it depressurizes the transformer body by draining out little oil into a already provided pit.
Okay.
What basically we are doing the depressurizing the transformer. Why? Because if we do not depressurize, after reaching this pressure at a critical point, it will get burst or explode.
Yes, sir.
But if we depressurize it fast before this critical range, so it prevent the explosion ultimately of the transformer.
Yes.
And if we prevent the explosion, there is no splash out of the hot oil and there will no fire there. So what this nitrogen basically provide you, it provides you a prevention rather than extinguishing the fire when it happens.
Right.
So this is a smart system.
Right.
If we during installation, after installation of this system, you are able to prevent the equipment before it explodes. So it means you are very, very beneficial because your asset is safe,
Yes.
fire is no chance, and ultimately your productivity, your continuity of operation is saved.
Same.
So that is the beauty of this system, that it is a prevention of the explosion or making happen fire.
Right.
In spite of after a fire has happened and it is just a response to extinguish the fire. So that is why this system is very, very precisely being demanded in the market, because it saves the asset, saves the transformer, not only extinguish the fire. And there are several advantages other also, because we are not using any water. There is no collateral damage. Whatever we are draining out the oil, it is also saved in a already provided pit. It can be reused. There is no misuse, no residue, no climate condition, no environment threat, no long downtime or recovery time required.
Got it.
So that is why no water required. So where the water scarcity is already in several areas where water is very, very difficult to store or make available for the system, because all the system work with a huge spray of water. So in that area where water scarcity is already there was a challenge there, how to save the equipment. So this system is very, very ideal for those conditions.
Right.
Excellent. So this is being adopted in all the transformer, power project, substations, etc., etc.
Right.
The next system,
Mm-hmm.
would you like to any question about this nitrogen system further?
So this is more like a prevention system rather than a suppression system, right?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Right, sir? So now I would like to come in two lines if you want to explain this system compared to the traditional system. All the traditional system have a question how we have to extinguish the fire. But in nitrogen system we have the advanced question what should do to eliminate the fire forever.
Right. Mm-hmm.
That is the basic difference of between these two, traditional and this new technology.
Good. Yes. Yes.
Similarly, if we come to the water mist system,
Mm-hmm.
this water mist system is also very, very, I must say, a smart system.
Mm-hmm.
Because all the traditional system rely on a large volume of water spray.
Mm.
Whereas this water mist system use very less water, almost 1/10 of the water of the traditional system,
Okay.
and spray it in a micron size droplets, which increase the enormous area of the water which comes to the contact with the hot environments,
Mm-hmm.
and it rapidly absorbs the heat from the source
Mm-hmm.
and subsequently provide the cooling effect.
Okay.
And we know if we cool down any object which is burning, and we cool down up to a flash point of any object,
Mm-hmm.
so this fire is automatically controlled because every material has a flash point to burn it.
Yeah. Yes.
So if we are cooling continuously and fast cooling, so that means you are controlling one side the fire.
Mm-hmm.
The second advantage, because the mist is very, very small droplet, fine droplet,
Mm-hmm.
when they comes in the contact of the hot environment, they immediately convert into the steam.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as they convert it into steam, this steam is heavier than air. And due to heavier than air, it encapsulates the fire source, replacing the air from that points.
Mm-hmm.
And ultimately, because if the air is replacing from the source, it means there is no oxygen there.
Yeah.
And oxygen deficiency automatically control the fire. This is the second side by side going on.
Mm-hmm.
And third one, the very important point, whatever the radiation is generating with the fire,
Mm-hmm.
this is blocking, this misting is blocking the radiant heat to the nearby other equipments.
Mm-hmm.
So your surrounding equipments are all already safe if you are providing this system. So this fast cooling, fast conversion of heat, steam, and blocking the radiation heat, it happens simultaneously.
Mm-hmm.
That is why the fast suppression system we achieve from the water mist system. And other advantage, because we are using 1/10 of water, very less water. That is why the no flooding, no wastage of water, no damage, collateral damage to the equipment, no after cleanup and all residues, and it is a clean water. No byproduct, no toxic byproduct, no foam, nothing, no additive. It is a clean, environment friendly, fast suppression, less water usage, benefit over benefit. So this is very, very smart and beautiful system. And this is the reason, because it is not harmful to the environment, it respects the environment, and it is designed based on the fire risk scale of different type of application. It can customize, and if it is designed meeting the international standards correctly, as we do at Tri-Parulex, so it can be adaptable, installed easily, and meet all the international standards, whatever is needed, environment friendly. There is no chance for further them.
Okay,
So
I have a
these,
question. So
yeah.
so this product is so nice. Everything is wonderful. Everything is very good.
Yeah.
So what is the adoption rate in India? Are companies using these systems? What is the percentage of companies using the system?
Basically, it is increasing day by day, but there are some misconceptions about this system, this new technology. One is the not a complete awareness, because they compare this advanced technology with the traditional system only.
Okay.
They think it is expensive and a complex system and cannot be adopted like this. So if we try to convince them in three angles that it is a complex, no, it is not a complex. It is very well integrated with the existing system also. A little bit care for the guidelines and standard is to be taken, which we always take at a Tri-Parulex. And if we talk about the expensive, if you do not or we do not adopt this new technology, calculate and account the cost of the asset which will damage, cost of the longer time shutdown, loss of productivity, loss of your buyer's confidence, loss of confidence of your stakeholder. These all calculated a huge loss. It is comparably very, very high cost you are paying if you are not adopting this system.
Right.
In the same way, people say it is a complex system. It is not complex at all. It is very simple. Just we need a clean water. It is perfect. It must be a perfect design as per the requirement of the fire risk profile and nature of the work, nature of the application. And third one, whatever the people say that it is excessive. They treat it is excessive. It is not required. Basically, if we compare to the compliance, whatever the regulatory standards have been established, if we compare with them, so definitely everyone says that it is excessive, because those are limited only to the minimum acceptable safety level. Those do not protect your complete business, your high value assets. But this system provides you that guarantee also. It will save your asset also, it will save your continuity of operation also, it will save you the reliability of the customer also, your buyer's confidence also. Indirectly, there are so many advantages if we adopt the system. And once the industry experience the operation of this system practically, then they convert immediately their mindset. That really it is a beautiful system, worth of the investment, and they must adopt it easily. Right. Now, if anything else.
So sir, this is a very good made in India system, right? This is totally made in India. Are there any, have you seen any international competitors which are producing the same systems in India or abroad?
Yes, sir. Basically, this technology initially developed in the European country.
Okay.
So there are 3-4 major players which were playing in the India.
Okay, sir.
But recently in 2014 or 15, when the Modi government came,
yes, sir.
So they realized that a lot of the system in our defense, specifically in the naval requirement,
okay, sir.
They are importing huge volume from the abroad, means European country. Then they take initiative that this system at least can be developed here,
Right.
and stop the import of this type of system.
Yes, sir.
Then DRDO, Defense Research Development Authority, one of the prominent labs, CFI, Center of Fire, Explosive and Environment Safety,
Okay.
they take initiative. They developed a system, validated it as per the international protocol, and this technology was given for some of the players, private players.
Okay.
We are one of them.
Right.
But since we are very hard worker, very earliest possible, very short span, we develop this system at our end with this technology
Right.
and got validated from the CP and launch in the market. So now, slowly, all the these European countries, maybe in one or two sectors, because there is a limitations here in our government. There are certain testing laboratories which are facility not in India. It is in abroad in a European country. So those systems still they are introducing those companies which are related with the European
Yes.
countries.
Yes.
But most of 90% facilities are being covered by us. We have been provided almost 250 systems in the Indian Railway for their running coaches to protect their power car and pantry car and this demo engine and all.
Yes, sir.
And we are also providing in the other facility also engine test bed, alcohol storage tank, and lithium-ion battery, which are very much prominently using in your automobile vehicles and all.
Yes.
So we are slowly we have captured the market, and being a tag of the DRDO, so there is no concern that our system is not
Yes.
up to the mark of the European system. Though they have some identification and approval odds, but we don't have that. But we have the approval of the CP DRDO that is enough for us to introduce within the country, and surrounding country also a little bit. Some of the international location we have provided this system. So slowly the things is going on properly.
Yes, sir. Great, sir. So, sir,
Yeah.
finally, I want to understand like your vision looking ahead. How do you see fire protection technology evolving?
Yeah.
Especially for renewable energy, power infrastructure, those kind of.
Yeah. As we have developed the two technology, so all the coming infrastructure which are expected, the modern industry in the power storage, like your solar power, other your this battery power or other infrastructure is coming inside different latest technology are coming. These two beautiful systems we have already developed for all kind of facilities. Whether it is lithium-ion battery, whether it is some chips manufacturing or something, whatever the latest is coming, even it is being provided for this naval requirement in a submarine, in their shipping engine room, in their installation of this BrahMos. All technology, similar technology is for another coming 30, 40 years, it will be going on everywhere.
Okay.
So we are prepared, whatever is coming. Little bit we have ready to modify it as per the risk profile and everything is going on.
Wonderful, sir. So as we wrap up today's conversation, it is clear that the future of fire safety lies in prevention, precision, and resilience, not just response. Advanced technologies like NIFPS and Water Mist system are redefining how industries protect their most critical asset, reduce losses, and ensure operational continuity. And as we have heard today, true fire safety isn't just about meeting standards, it's about building infrastructure that can withstand real-world risk. A big thank you to Mr. Rambeer Singh for sharing his insights and decades of experience in industrial fire protection. Sir, your work is a powerful reminder that when safety is designed right, it truly works when it matters the most. To all our listeners, thank you for tuning in. If you found this conversation valuable, make sure to subscribe, share this episode, and join us again as we continue exploring the technologies and ideas shaping safer industrial future. Until next time, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.